Hello, my name's Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular video demonstrates how to work a simple left-leaning single decrease. It's a single decrease because it decreases your stitch count by one single pair of stitches, which is of course 2 stitches in total. Now before coming to this, I've already rearranged my stitches from their usual knit purl order into knit knit purl purl. So I've got 2 adjacent knit stitches, both with their yarn overs on the needle, followed by 2 adjacent purl stitches, also with their yarn overs. Now the left leaning single simple decrease is worked in 2 parts. It's an SSK on the front, followed by a purl 2 together on the back, and it is done like this. You slip 1 stitch with its yarn over knitwise from the left needle to the right, then you slip a 2nd stitch also with its yarn over, also knitwise from the left needle to the right, and then you slip both of those stitches purlwise. It can be done individually or at the same time, back from the right needle to the left, and then you knit those 2 stitches with their yarn overs. There's 4 strands going there all together through the back legs using your knit coloured yarn. Slide those off the left needle. Then I'm going to work the yarn over manoeuvre, which is taking the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle and bringing it to the front, coming between the 2 needles, then bring the knit coloured yarn to the front also, and then simple purl 2 together to finish it off. Not through the back legs or anything like that, an ordinary purl 2 together. And then I finish everything by taking my knit coloured yarn to the back of the work. Let's inspect what we've got there. As you can see, these 2 columns of knit stitches are coming into one at the top, and the rightmost stitch is very much sitting on top of the leftmost stitch with that little colour blip there, but that's nothing to worry about. That's exactly right for the simple decreases, and it's very definitely leaning to the left. If we turn it over, we'll see the opposite is true. Here we go. Here's our 2 columns of purl stitches coming into one, and very definitely the leftmost stitch is sitting on top of the rightmost stitch, making this decrease on this side lean to the right. And that's exactly what we would expect to see, and that's all you need to know about working the simple left leaning decrease in double knitted brioche. Zip!